So good morning everyone. In today's session, we are going to start with our chapter 3rd from geography, that is our changing earth. As we know that earth is constantly changing from time to time, but we cannot see that in a fraction of second. Changes are there in our earth, but ये जो change होती है ये हम लोग कोई एक रात के अंदर नहीं देख सकते. इस चेंज को बहुत सारा टाइम पीरियड लगता है. इट कैन बी फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर जनरेशन, एज अर्थ इज ऑलवेज इन द चेंज फॉर्मेशन, बट change is not a sudden change. It is a gradual change which passes from generation to generation, and in our human life as a span of 60 to 80 years or 90 years, we cannot see much of the variation on the earth. But as we come to know from the historian, whatever they had made their consensus, and at present what we are making the consensus, from that we come to know that the earth is always in the changing phase, and these changes are done by the two factor. One is internal factor and another is external factor. Internal factor is considered to be as an endogenic factor, and external factor is considered to be as an exogenic factor. So these two terms I have already given in your assignment. First term is endogenic force. So endogenic force क्या होता है? The force which act in the interior of earth, the force which act within the earth, that is called endogenic force. And there are the sudden forces that such as earthquake, volcano and landslides. These are the forces which are done from the interior of earth, that is called endogenic forces. Second forces आती हैं हमारी exogenic force, means the external factor which make the change in the earth, that is known as exogenic force. The forces that work on the surface of earth are called exogenic forces. For example, erosion and deposition. Erosion क्या होता है? When the movement of external factors are there. External factor कौन से होते हैं? Wind, precipitation in the form of rainfall or in the form of snow. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है हमारा ग्लेशियर्स, सी वेव्स, और जो ग्लेशियर्स के थ्रू आइस मेल्ट होकर फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस चेंज होती है, दैट द फैक्टर्स व्हिच मेक अ चेंज ऑन द अर्थ, these are considered as exogenic forces. So there are two major factors which make change on the earth's surface, that is endogenic forces, internal factor which are as volcano eruption, earthquake, landslide within the earth, and another is exogenic force which are external factor, that is erosion and deposition. Agents of external exogenic factors are wind, sea waves and glacier, melting of glacier due to global warming effect. And these processes are not the sudden process. These processes are time consuming process, time taking process, slow but continuous process. Is it clear? Just hold beta. So next concept, that is volcano, is clear. It is a vent on the earth crust, which is the weakest part of the earth, through which the molten magma or material content erupts suddenly. That is called volcano. Earthquake. Earthquake क्या होता है? Lithospheric plates moves on the surface of the earth and vibrates. That vibration travels all around the earth is known as earthquake. और earthquake जो है, that is always in of three types. Earthquake कितने type की होती हैं? Three type: P waves, S waves and L waves. अब ये P waves, L wave and S waves क्या है? I am going to explain that. So earthquake comes out when the tectonic plates are moving. Like here are the plates from the interior of earth. When it moves from the opposite direction, when the movement of plate is there, definitely the earth will be going to vibrate. These are called P waves, longitudinal waves. Second waves are S wave, transverse. इसमें waves में क्या है? When the plates are moving toward the opposite direction in the horizontal waves, ऐसे, ठीक है, and the gap between them is going to increase, ठीक है. थर्ड वेव्स आती है एल वेव्स और सरफेस वेव्स. एल वेव्स में क्या है? व्हेन द प्लेट्स आर अट्रैक्टिंग ईच अदर, तो वो सरफेस के ऊपर चेंज आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एस वेव्स. और जो हमारे माउंटेन्स बनते हैं वो इसी वेव्स के कारण बनते हैं, व्हेन द मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट्स आर कमिंग टुवर्ड ईच अदर, और वो एक दूसरे पे आ गई वाइब्रेशन के कारण, जिसके कारण हाइट जो है वेव्स की वो सॉरी अर्थ सरफेस की ज्यादा हो जाती है, जिसके कारण हमारे माउंटेन्स क्रिएट होते हैं. सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सिस्मोग्राफ. सिस्मोग्राफ क्या है? एन अर्थक्वेक इज मेजर्ड थ्रू अ मशीन कॉल्ड सिस्मोग्राफ. और सिस्मोग्राफ जो है इसको चाइनीज साइंटिस्ट एस्ट्रोनॉमर था और मैथमेटिशियन था जिसने इसको इन्वेंट किया था 132 एडी के अंदर. और इसमें क्या है? द अर्थ मूवमेंट और वाइब्रेशन ऑफ अर्थ वाज बीइंग मेजर्ड through this instrument, and this instrument is known as seismograph. Seismograph is a device through which, or instrument through which, the earthquake is being measured, and it was invented by a Chinese astronomer and mathematician who made it in 132 AD. ठीक है, और उसके अंदर उसने पूरी इन्वेंशन के थ्रू इसमें ही बताया गया था. एंड द पर्सन नेम इज चैंग हिंग, CHANG, चैंग, HENG, हिंग. Chan Hing was the Chinese astronomer and mathematician who introduces seismograph in 132 AD to calculate the earthquake's capacity. Is it clear? Next topics we will be going to continue in our next class. ठीक है?